Hey, I thought I'd do like a little nighttime video. Not that I don't even know if I'm gonna post this. But I did my dinner and the clothes that I bought, if it could. I just like stared at the stars. There's so many stars. It's so dark here. I'm at a campground and it's pretty quiet, so I don't want to be like super noisy. But I actually have been crying because I'm just like in awe of the experience, and it's just sometimes it could be a little overwhelming. This is just like a life experience I've been wanting to do for like years, since I was a kid. So I just thought I'd put that out there. I probably will do a second night here. I think I probably said that in other videos, but I don't know. You ever get to that point where you're just like, wow, I'm doing it. This is exactly what I wanted to do since a kid. Is like life-altering experience. And I guess I just got overwhelmed. But I think that there's going to be more to come with the experiences, because I am just so moved by nature and like everything. So sorry to be so gushy on this, but when you hit a life moment, it's like jarring. Anyways, it's bedtime. I'm just thoughts. So, okay. Night.